Hi there, fellow crochet lovers! Welcome back to my channel. As the leaves fall and the chill in the air grows, it's that time of the year when we dive into all things Halloween and crochet. If you are subscribed of my channel, you know that I had a series of Halloween-themed crochet tutorials. Today I'm going to round them all up and take a look back at the spooky fun we've had. You can click on the link at the beginning of each section to watch the full tutorial. So, grab your hooks and let's get started. We began our Halloween crochet journey with the perfect project to set the autumn mood. Our cute crochet pumpkin not only celebrates the fall season but also serves as fantastic home decor. It's a simple and delightful way to welcome the changing leaves and cooler temperature. For those who are just starting on their crochet adventure, we had you covered with our super easy pumpkin tutorial. This project was designed with beginner in mind, making it a great introduction to crochet. Plus, who can resist the charm of a crochet pumpkin? Feeling a bit more adventurous? We spun our crochet webs and crafted an easy spider in just 10 minutes. With a free pattern to guide you, these creepy crawlies are perfect for adding a touch of Halloween spookiness to your decor. Monsters don't have to be scary. They can be absolutely adorable. Our amigurumi monster tutorial was designed especially for beginners. You will learn the basics of amigurumi while creating a huggable Halloween companion. Last but certainly not least, we had a blast crafting an adorable world in just 5 minutes. This beginner-friendly tutorial is not only quick, but also incredibly cute. It's the perfect project to introduce newcomers to the world of crochet. Not sure if we can consider properly Halloween, but why not? And there you have it, a whirlwind tour of our Halloween crochet tutorials. If you missed any of these spooky creations or want to visit them, don't worry. You can find all the tutorials in our Halloween crochet playlist. If you enjoyed this recap, please give it a thumb up and be sure to subscribe for more crochet adventures, patterns, and inspiration. Now it's your turn. Which of our Halloween crochet projects did you enjoy the most? Feel free to share your thoughts in the comments below and remember to keep crocheting and creating with love. Until next time, happy looking